One thing I really noticed was that my friends at other schools have always told me about how they have these big classrooms and don't get personal time with teachers and just don't really understand the information because it's going so fast. But I think it's super cool that we have the opportunity here to be able to just have one-on-one with our teachers, and that they actually want that relationship and they want us to learn, which I think is really, really cool. And so I love being able to come into ACT Lab or something and they actually care if I learn it instead of just, as they like to put it, regurgitate the information. So yeah. There was actually this one time in class when we were in chemistry, and Mr. Buckles, he was teaching us equations, and I thought it was really cool because he didn't want us to just memorize the equations, he wanted us to actually learn them and understand the information.
Yeah.
And so I thought it was really cool because it was more on a personal level and they actually cared about my education, about your education, and all of ours.